What's up guys, welcome to a review and unboxing. I went to the Razer store today at the Florida Mall in Orlando and I picked up a new mouse. I wanted to upgrade from my G Pro wireless and I missed the shape of my old Deathadder 2013 edition. So I went with the Razer Deathadder V3 Pro and this is the special Faker edition. Faker is a professional League of Legends player and the employee at the Razer store told me he's like the Kobe Bryant of League of Legends. Ultra lightweight design, Generation 3 optical switches. I just read online it has better technology inside than the G Pro wireless, so I wanted to try something new. If I don't like this, I'll probably go back to the G Pro wireless, but for now I wanted something a little bit different. So we're gonna crack this thing open, tear the adhesive off on the sides, and after doing that we can get a beautiful glimpse at the design of this Deathadder Faker edition as we pull the last little pieces of adhesive to get this box open. Take a second to marvel at the beauty of the design of this mouse. A wonderful shape and a very scary design. The first thing I noticed when grabbing this mouse compared to the G Pro Wireless Superlight Edition does feel a little bit heavier, but I prefer the shape of this type of mouse compared to the G Pro Wireless, so I'm gonna find out if it's gonna be a better option. Nice clicking noises, the scroll wheel is very satisfying, and speaking of satisfying, here is a plastic peel off moment. Okay, moving on to the other stuff in the box, you also get this receiver. It also comes with this cable which you plug into that dongle, which I'll show you right now. However, this mouse has a 4000 polling rate ability that cannot be used with the stock dongle. I'm going to show you the 4K dongle later. But this is Lee Faker, the unkillable Demon King, and hopefully by using this mouse, I will be just as good as him. This is the 4000 Hz wireless polling rate hyper dongle, and I'm also going to show you how the mouse moves on my Mousepad. It's pretty smooth, but not as smooth as my G Pro wireless with the Hyperglide skates. I'm gonna have to look for some aftermarket skates for this thing, but for now I'm gonna use the stock and see how long they last. But a great feel on this mouse. I miss the shape a lot. I used this way back in 2013, but now I have the updated modern Deathadder V3 Pro edition. Here's a nice little close-up of the design, the signature of Faker, the legendary Demon King. I'm gonna show you a comparison between the 2013 model of the Deathadder with this brand new V3 edition. So as you can see, the Deathadder has more of an angled, curved shape, while this new Deathadder has a straighter, more GPW-like shape. Bottom is pretty similar, the skates are in similar position. But yeah, if you like the 2013 Deathadder or any Deathadder model, this Deathadder V3 Pro edition is going to be a lightweight, ultra ergonomic option. But the question that we all want to know, what the answer to is, the Deathadder V3 Pro a competitor to the G Pro wireless? Absolutely. Hope this helped you guys if you're wondering about this mouse, as I don't see a lot of reviews online. The specific Faker edition, I know it's just a design, but maybe it has a special spirit imbued into the mouse to allow me to play better in the name of Faker. So guys, have a wonderful day in the fucking planet. Go out there and conquer.